All right, look at this leaf. It's I promise it wasn't me. But anyway, look at this leaf. Focus on this leaf, please. Okay? Don't look there. Focus on this leaf. Leaf is a natural structure. Okay, you can't argue with that. It's made by nature. And what can we learn from it about consciousness? Why there's 7, for example, types of aligned emotions. Right? Okay, look at this. 1 branching out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th one comes together. Okay? So at the root we have sense of security. That's what it all depicts. Sense of security, and that's all the emotions that goes into anger, aggression, and that is fear, and so on. So that's at the root. Then we have the second one. That's the sense of joy emotion, and again it goes into lust or chastity. The third one, that is when you have the center of sense of confidence, and it goes into greed or like manipulative charity, so to speak. And then you have the fourth one, which is love, and that one goes into envy or fake kindness. That one is sense of a feeling, I should say. I kept on saying sense. It's feeling of justice, and that one goes into pride or fake humility. The sixth one, that is a feeling of clarity, and then it goes into like a confusion or wrath, and then another side is like dullness or passivity or patience, like false patience, using willpower. And then the seventh one, as you can see, it comes together, and that is the sense of the feeling of bliss. And the feeling of bliss, the problem, one side there's laziness or sloth, and another side there is false diligence and intensity. So I mean, you put the better naming emotions, because you can, for example, even here you can see the chastity one is just depicts, and there's like a plethora of the emotions there. You can call it disgust or shame. That all belongs to one branch. I mean, you can keep on studying and understanding on what kind of disaligned emotions belongs on each branch. But the point of it all is to be here, in between. Okay, and your brain cannot go in between. The brain can only go one or the other, cannot go in between. Only the soul can do that. Only the soul has that capacity of putting attention on between. And that is every time you're off the center, you can bring it back to the center. And if you do it right, you can bring it back. Let's say there's one particular problem, you can bring it back, and that never goes there again. It can go on to another one, but you bring that one and you keep on bringing it back to the center. And that's the work of the alchemy. Bring it back to the center. And that just depicts the emotions. You can also apply this on the 7 dimensions and the patterns of mind, and you can also apply this to 7 sensory motor in the body. So there you go. There's one little leaf, and it basically depicts almost, well, not everything, but almost everything that you need to know.